Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rika Dunaristi from 7A class. On this occasion, I will present a proposal entitled Content Analysis Speaking Materials in English Textbook for the second grade students at Mantiga, Tangerang. This proposal was made to fulfill the final test of the seminar on English language teaching subject. This presentation, I will deliver 3 points. Alright, starting from chapter 1, introduction. 1 is identification of the problem. Identification of the problem is speaking materials in English textbook that are not relevant to the syllabus of curriculum 2013. And teachers are less selective in choosing English textbook. 2. Formulation of the problem. Formulation of the problem is, are the speaking materials in English textbook for the second grade students at Mantiga, Tangerang relevant to the syllabus of curriculum 2013? Next, how are the speaking materials in English textbook for the second grade students at Mantiga, Tangerang relevant to the syllabus of curriculum 2013? Specifically to the criteria of speaking materials, including good or not. Next is objective of the research is to know the relevance of speaking materials in for the second grade students at Tiga Tangerang, the syllabus of curriculum 2013. And to know the speaking materials in English textbook for the second grade students at Mantiga, Tangerang, relevant to the syllabus of curriculum 2013, specifically to the criteria of speaking materials, including good or not. Next, chapter 2, literature review. First, about the textbook. According to Tomlinson, 2011, textbook is a book which provides the core materials for a language learning. I will explain about the speaking. Lindsay, 2010, states that speaking is productive skill. It involves putting a message together, communicating the message, and interacting with other people. Next, 2013 curriculum. The 2013 curriculum contains of the plans for teaching and learning process, the rules of objective and materials, and the method used in the process of teaching and learning. Permendikbud 68, 2013. The 2013 curriculum introduced scientific approach to be applied in English language teaching. Suharyadi, 2013. That is syllabus. STEC 2011 identifies 5 factors for syllabus implementation is lesson aims, content, procedures, syllabus user, teacher or learner, and teaching material. The last is chapter 3, research methodology. The design of this research use a qualitative descriptive. The method in this research use content analysis. Next, research object. Research object in this research is even semester English textbook for the second grade students at Mantiga, Tangerang. Is the research instrument. The research instrument used to analyze the data was a checklist documentation. Next is data collecting technique. 1. Reading and understanding the speaking materials in English textbook used by second grade students. 2. Selecting the data according to the problem formulation. 3. Analyze the speaking material contained in the English textbook. 4. Make a list of speaking materials contained in English textbook. And the last is collect data sources obtained from English textbook. Data analysis technique. 1. Review the data that has been collected. 2. Analyze the data from the documentation. 3. Describe the speaking materials provided in the second grade students' English textbook by reading and selecting data from the textbook. And the last is conclude the research result. Next is credibility of the data. The method used is triangulation. Enough from me. I hope this discussion can be understood. Sorry if any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.